Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the exact bend and the severity of damage. Why that matters is safety and outcome. Once done, unplug the cable and remove any stress from connectors so you can work precisely. Next, use a hairdryer briefly to relax plastic if stiff. Make sure to heat evenly. Then slide on shrink tubing or prepare tape. This is your structural repair, so set materials close by and keep pliers and scissors within reach before proceeding. You now focus on restoring alignment and strength. Heat the bend again lightly, and use fingers or pliers to ease the cable back into shape. This reduces internal conductor stress. Once aligned, wrap a reinforcing layer starting at the connector and moving outward to distribute flex. Braided sleeve is best, electrical tape acceptable. Make sure the covering overlaps the undamaged cable by at least 1/2 inch. Finally, center your shrink tubing over the reinforcement so you can secure everything in the next step. You finish by activating the final seal. Apply steady, even heat to the shrink tubing until it snugly conforms. Avoid overheating, which can damage insulation. Once cooled, reconnect the cable and confirm charging and data transfer. Monitor the cable for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure it stays cool and reliable. If you see intermittent behavior, sparks, or exposed copper, stop using the cable immediately. Those are signs you must replace it. A single key tip: if repair doesn't pass continuous testing, discard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.